Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing the factors that determine cryptocurrency mining profitability. Whether you're a seasoned miner or just getting started, understanding these factors is essential for maximizing your mining returns. So let's dive in. The first factor that affects mining profitability is the mining difficulty. Mining difficulty refers to how hard it is to mine a new block in the blockchain. As more miners join the network, the difficulty increases, making it harder to mine new coins. This, in turn, affects your mining profitability. As you can see from this graph, mining difficulty tends to increase over time, especially as more miners join the network. The second factor that affects mining profitability is the hash rate. Hash rate refers to the speed at which a mining machine operates. The higher the hash rate, the more calculations it can perform per second, increasing the chances of successfully mining a new block. Here's a simplified example. Let's say you have two miners, one with a hash rate of 50 terahash per second and another with a hash rate of 100 terahash per second. All other things being equal, the miner with the higher hash rate will mine more coins and thus be more profitable. The third factor that affects mining profitability is electricity costs. Mining cryptocurrencies requires a significant amount of electricity, and the cost of electricity can vary greatly depending on where you live. If your electricity costs are too high, it can eat into your mining profits. That's why many miners choose to set up their operations in regions where electricity is cheap, such as areas with abundant hydroelectric power or renewable energy sources. The fourth factor that affects mining profitability is hardware costs. The cost of the mining equipment you use will directly impact your profitability. Newer, more powerful mining equipment tends to be more expensive but can also mine more coins, increasing your profitability in the long run. However, you'll need to factor in the cost of the hardware when calculating your potential profits. The fifth and final factor that affects mining profitability is transaction fees. In addition to mining new coins, miners also earn transaction fees for processing transactions on the network. Transaction fees can vary depending on network congestion and the number of transactions being processed. In some cases, transaction fees can make up a significant portion of a miner's income, especially during times of high network activity. So, there you have it. Those are the factors that determine cryptocurrency mining profitability. By understanding and optimizing these factors, you can maximize your mining returns and stay profitable in the long run. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and happy mining.